Hello, I'm Elizabeth Koleva. I'm currently studying at my first year at Sofia University, and next year I'm going to Luxembourg University. My background is in computer science, and I was a teacher in informatics and in information technology. My experience is inspiring, transformative, and challenging. I first became interested in HPC when I learned a bit more from the program. And actually, I had background from my computer science. I didn't know it was really HPC. So I just deepened that knowledge step by step, and that's how I got here today. The most valuable skills and knowledge I gained from the program are probably the parallel computation ones that are new for me, especially the more detailed information and algorithms, as well as communication and cooperation with international teams and organization of the structure and everything that I've so far encountered in the program.